pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States. Okay, we have some end of the year items to take care of, plus appointment of a couple of individuals. So we'll begin with the regular session minutes from December 16th as sent out.
Okay, I've reviewed those minutes and I make a motion to approve as written.
I have likewise seconded.
All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
And we have the memorandum from our executive session on December 20th. Okay, I've reviewed that memorandum and I make a motion to approve as written.
I'll second.
All in favor, say aye. Aye. Then we have the contract with Jacob Ahler. Our attorney, we tentatively approved that position a meeting or so ago. Depending on the contract, we have approved this contract agreement. It is for 1 year. And need a motion to officially approve Jacob Ahler as legal counsel. Okay, I would make a motion to approve Jacob Ahler as legal counsel for 2025.
I'll second.
Any other discussion? All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Then we have the fourth quarter invoice for our current legal counsel, Kevin Tankersley, as presented.
Okay, I've reviewed that fourth quarter invoice and I would make a motion to approve payment of that.
I'll second.
Any other discussion? All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
And then we have the bonding of our prosecutor, Kelly Dahmer. The amount is $30,000 for this bond. Need a motion to approve.
Okay, I would make a motion to approve the bond for Kelly Dahmer of $30,000.
Any other discussion? All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Then discussion items have ARPA funds, and we've kind of reviewed these at the joint session last time with the council, so they were aware. And getting down to our final amounts in this fund, we did receive from the broadband committee, we'd given them $50,000 before. They had spent 15 on Scott Rudd, who is their consultant. They have extended that out another 2 years. And we also had a $5,600 payment to Curbsy out of that broadband fund. So I think Laura ended up putting another 600 in there to make it come out to match what their request was. So we would need the approval of the broadband payment to Scott Rudd for 2 more years of extended services.
So moved.
Second.
Any other discussion? Favor say aye.
Aye.
And then we have needs approval, as we have discussed before, giving $30,000 to each of our 5 fire departments in the county for their services during this COVID period. We do have a memorandum of understanding when we present the checks to them, basically just saying that
These funds can be used only for training and equipment. That would be our final action on this ARPA list. Do we have a motion for that expenditure?
Excuse me. Yeah, so moved on that motion.
Any other discussion on the ARPA funds? All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
On our last order of business, during that executive session that we had, we interviewed the Veteran Service Officer. He did grow up in Pulaski County, Roy Wallace, West Central graduate, been in the service, is a disabled veteran himself. His resume was quite extensive, certainly qualified for the job. We would need a motion to approve Roy Wallace.
Yeah, I would make a motion to approve Roy as the PSO.
Any other comments? Favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Any other business? Hey, Board? Laura, Teresa, have any other business?
Real quick on the ARPA money.
Yes.
I just wanted to comment on the ambulance because we have designated. Do I need a microphone? Can you hear me? Okay. On the ARPA money, originally, it was committed to about $245,000 for the ambulance, and that was based on a quote that was given almost 2 years ago. When that ambulance actually came in, there was a $3,000 discount, and that discount was no longer available when we got the ambulance. So that amount went up by approximately $3,000, and I just wanted to make note of that.
Community comments? Motion to adjourn.
Okay, I would make a motion to adjourn.
Meeting's adjourned.